All right, true to the session title, what Tom just took us through is an operationalized analytic, heavy duty, for a mission critical set of grid assets based in the cloud. And I just want to give kind of a 1-minute perspective on the trick behind pulling something like this off. So we see that there are 4 technology vectors right now that are enabling digital transformation and AI like this. One is cloud. The next is big data, not necessarily meaning high volume, but a lot of variety of sources. Tom took us through a lot of those different sources of data combined together. IoT sensing devices, and artificial intelligence machine learning. These 4 technology vectors coming together enable what you just saw. And the key strategies to pull something off like this is, number 1, what's the business objective? Theirs is to switch from schedule-based maintenance to condition-based maintenance. True north business value. What are you chasing after? Number 2, put all of this data in a common model, a common data model. And number 3, all the data are treated as a time series. So if those are the 3 elements that make this all possible. So anyway, thanks for sharing the story, Tom.